Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Lovable to GitHub step by step. Step 1. Go to lovable.so and create or log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the integrations. Once inside your Lovable dashboard, go to your profile settings and then find the integrations tab and then click on it. Step 3. Click the Connect GitHub button and you will be redirected to GitHub's authorization page. Step 4. Approve the access. Choose which repositories Lovable can access and then click Authorize Lovable. Step 5. Confirm syncing. Return to Lovable and check that your repositories have been successfully synced. And now you can use Lovable's tools to analyze and enhance your GitHub workflows. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.